Hey, you know what? We've never been to Menards before. Well, I haven't. I don't know if Paula has. Here we go. And there it is. Welcome to Menards.
I see seasonal.
And this place has got 2 stories.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's seasonal over there.
Yep, there's groceries in a hardware store. Cool. Yes, that's dill pickle sunflower seeds. It's not AI. It's real. Ooh, pumpkin seeds. Barbecue. Know what I'm saying? Hey Paula, I need 2 of these. Just so we can run some high quality power to different places on the property. Yeah. Reminder, Paula wants one of these. Probably that one. Or that one. Hey look, Jamie. Ah! Hey. There's a couch small enough for the shipping container apartment. Let's try it out. Wow. For the price, this thing is extremely comfortable. What can we do with a slide?
We can put it on the porch.
Sliding out to the front yard?
Right.
Yeah.
Even we can slide out there. It's not just for kids.
Or steps. Rock wall.
That's to get back up there.
Oh, okay. There's the zip line. Everybody needs a 4x8 sheet of plywood to go with their watermelon. Cheese balls.
Yum.
Look at that one. That one would fit. Yes. She's trying out a bathtub in Menards. No. Okay, so find the perfect size, style, and color. Choose your bathing style. Enhance your experience. They have cabinets. Oh yeah, those would be nice for the van.
It's not huge like everywhere else, like those down there. These are the perfect size for the van. Absolutely perfect size.
I'll be honest with you. The first set of cabinets I've seen at Menards are way better than IKEA.
What? I do have to admit it.
All these inserts. There's the countertop selections. It looks like Menards is your one-stop shop for not only groceries and hardware, but cabinets too. This is absolutely amazing. It's a large island, but it's got filing cabinets on the ends of it. have space for a large island. The measurements. Well, it looks like she found her stainless steel farm sink. And it's only $4.59. Yay! So that's for pots and pans.
This holds the top. So
And then show me which one you want on the left side of the stove. Or one side of the stove. For silverware and stuff.
for utensils.
And then the other one for spices and stuff. Okay. What a place. Drawer front replacements. I've always wanted something like that. But check that out too. Light fixtures. Just thinking outside the box. What if we had two of those hanging in the living room? Or even better, a couple of those. Ooh, buckhorn house. There it is. One of those would be really nice. So we talked about it, and even though it's completely unlike us, we'd probably go with that for buckhorn house. There are so many light fixtures here. We will change our mind 12 times before we leave. We already did that area. And we're going to this area. I could see Zoe, maybe Emily. I don't know. Look at these are cool.
The room's still gonna be flamingos.
Well, we have to ask Jamie. Hey Jamie, would those go good in Joey's room? Or yours? She said, oh, look at the black one. Nope. Look at the copper one. We need to remember to put a washing machine pan under our washing machine.
Oh look, they just automatically stop.
Are they magnetic?
Huh?
Try to push it. It won't roll? Well, isn't that cool? It's a good thing they don't. Hey, there's your sign you want. Look at that. So that's an interesting rebate.
Thank you.
Cool. So the gentleman was telling us that the way the rebates work is you take your receipts, fill out the rebate form, mail it back, and then you get converted to in-store credit, and then you can spend that in-store credit here. You have to do it before November. Interesting. All right, hey, we survived Menards.
Sure.
All right, we made it.